Hey everyone! So last year sometime the boys and I designed our own fabric. We made a seamless pattern using the Canva online software, and we used different images that represented what we love and who we are as a homeschool. So we have a lot of science, engineering, robotic, math. Those are my boys' favorite subjects. So there's a pattern that I got from Frocks and Frolics. I'll put the link. I bought that pattern a couple years ago for another shirt that I made for the boys. And so this is the fabric rolled out. I have already cut all my pieces and I was pinning it to the fabric. I cut one pattern in size 8 to 9 and the other in I think a 12 to 14. This is the next day. I'm cutting out the interfacing pieces. I could not do one step further the night before. My back was finished. I don't know why I did not do that on the kitchen counter. But anywho, and it was hot. As you can see, I'm fighting the breeze from the fan because it was really, really hot that day. So now to my favorite part, the sewing. So here I have already pressed and creased everything that was required for this part. I'm stitching the placket. This is where the buttons and the buttonholes go. Interfacing has also been ironed on into that piece to make it firm. And here I'm stitching on the pocket. So this was the final day of making the shirt, and of course this is with stopping to cook and to do all the mummy things and everything else in between. And I think at this point I was cutting buttonholes or trimming excess or something, but this was or hemming maybe, I don't know, but this was the final day of sewing the shirts, and this is how it all turned out. Thank you for watching. Bye.